We're going to look at how to create an illusion like this where one letter becomes another in Blender. So we'll start with a new file, delete the lamp, delete the cube, go to add text, hit the N key and make it straight, hit the tab key, and I'm going to use the letter R. Then the text window, geometry, we're going to extrude it. I'll duplicate it, move it in the side, rotate it 90 degrees, tab, and we're going to use S. Okay, so we have R and S, and then we are going to intersect them into each other. Okay, then we'll select both, go to Object, Convert to Mesh. Select any one, go to Modify panel, add boolean, intersection, and select the other one. Select the S. Before that, apply this, select the S, delete it. Okay, so if you go to the front, you get 1, and side you get S. Now the geometry is not clean, so we'll go to Object Data, Normals, and Auto Smooth, and it looks much better. Now what we'll go to is Camera, View, and View to Camera. Okay, so in the camera view it doesn't look very good, so we'll select the camera and change the camera to orthographic. Okay, then we go to the camera and make this 90, 0, 0. Okay, then we'll bring the else in the middle, and then we will the letter in the middle, and we'll scale it big. Okay, I'll go to Object, Set Origin to Geometry, and then go to I and Location and Rotation, go to frame number 20 and rotate it 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees, make it S, I, Location and Rotation. So at 10, I'll select this, Shift D, this, Shift D, and then this, Shift D from 40 to 50. Okay, so we have, when you play it, R becomes S, S becomes R, and it keeps happening. We can go to Cavity, Both, Matcap, and select something cool. And get a cool animation. Thank you very much.